Good Tuesday evening to all. Hope everyone is doing well. Tomorrow night, Wednesday night, and Thursday is Tisha B'Av. It is the day where we commemorate the destruction of the Bet HaMikdash, and at the same time, think a little bit about those things that brought about the destruction and what we could do to go ahead and be partners in the process of rebuilding. There are many halachot that relate to Tisha B'Av. We know we don't eat, we don't drink, we don't wear leather shoes. There's a custom of not sitting on a regular chair until midday, and a few other halachot, but I would like to focus specifically on those things that apply to after Tisha B'Av. There was a statement made by the great Rabbi Yochanan, who lived over 100 years after the destruction of the Bet HaMikdash, and he noted that if he would have been present at the time the rabbi stated that we need to commemorate the destruction by fasting, he would have actually chosen the 10th of Av as the day of mourning, not the 9th. Now, why is it? So he notes, and this is an historical fact, that the majority of the burning of the structure actually took place on the 10th of Av, because it was only towards the evening, late afternoon of the 9th, that the Romans burnt the structure. So the majority of the destruction took place on the 10th. Nevertheless, the rabbis tell us that since the actions began on the 9th, we commemorated on the 9th. Nevertheless, there is a proper minhag that in some ways we extend the mourning until midday of the 10th of Av. So that does include not drinking wine or eating meat or bathing for pleasure until midday of the 10th. Now, this year, being that the 10th is Erev Shabbat and we prepare for Shabbat, so, for example, laundry, it is permissible to go ahead and do the laundry already Thursday night, right after Tisha B'Av. And if one wants to get a haircut, they could do it already Friday morning because it is being done in honor of Shabbat. So things are a little bit different this year. Now, we as Jews, although we mourn the destruction of the temple, we at the same time celebrate the fact that we are alive. And as the rabbis tell us, if the Jews are not around and the structure is around, that is a real churban. The fact that we are still here and we could do good things and we could be active partners in the process of rebuilding is something that gives us comfort, that gives us nechama. So let's do our part in becoming better, becoming unified, becoming more connected to one another and to the Almighty. It should be an easy fast and a meaningful one to all. Take care.